Hello student. Today I'm going to explain you bank reconciliation statement, one of the very important topic. I'm going to explain my own method of solving bank reconciliation statement problems. So my name is Professor Dr. S.B. Yadav from C.K. Thakur Arts, Commerce and Science College, New Panvel, Autonomous. Let us start theory in bank reconciliation statement, and the name of the method I have given is yes boss method. Now why it is called as a yes boss method, I will tell you later on. So let us start. So some important points to be remembered under this method, that is yes boss method, while solving the problem of BRS, that bank reconciliation statement. Now what are that important points to be remembered? The first important points to be remembered is nothing but debit balance as per cash book is a favorable balance. You should remember this thing whenever there is a debit balance, because debit side is a deposit side. Same thing over here, if the credit balance as per the passbook is also favorable balance, because credit side is a deposit side. See, in passbook there is a different opposite side. That means in cash book debit side is a deposit side, but in passbook credit side is a deposit side. Then reverse of all those things are there. Credit balance as per cash book is unfavorable balance. Sometimes it is also called as a bank overdraft also. So credit side is a withdrawal side. So when the withdrawal side is more, so obviously you will get unfavorable balance. What about that the passbook? Passbook also unfavorable balance is a debit balance, because debit side is a withdrawal side. So these 4 points are very important when you solve that the problem by yes boss method. Now some rules are there, that rules that you have to remember. Rules for whether that particular amount should be added or whether that particular amount should be deducted. So what are that rules? The first rule under that yes boss method is nothing but opposite of top is boss. Opposite of top is boss means what? Whatever the balance you will take on top in bank reconciliation statement. Suppose if you are taking bank balance as per cash book, so passbook is your boss. If you take bank balance as per passbook, then cash book is your boss. So we have to follow the boss, but nothing else. So here you have to decide who is the boss first. Second, follow the boss. That means always you have to follow the boss. Boss means if entry in boss book but no entry in our book, we have to post same amount in our book. That means simply we have to follow the boss. So when we will solve that the problem, you will understand what does it mean. Always we have to follow the boss. If boss entry is there in the boss book, then we have to write the same entry on the same deposit side or withdrawal side. If there is no entry in boss book, the third follow the third point, that is nothing but if no entry in the boss book but entry in our book, then we have to reverse it. Opposite side amount we have to write in our book. And the next point is nothing but if entry in both the book, that means entry in boss book also, that means suppose passbook is a boss, if entry in the passbook and our is cash book, entry in cash book also, but the amount is different, that for that different amount we have to follow the boss. Compare the new entry with the opening balance. Whatever the new entry that you are going to make, you have to compare with the opening balance, and then we will decide whether it is add or deduct. When it is add, if the new entry is on the same side, that means on deposit, so new entry is also on deposit side, then you have to add it. If the entry on opposite side, then we have to deduct it. So simply that we have to follow these rules for bank reconciliation statement under yes boss method. Now 6, that is what the format for the bank reconciliation statement. Format is very simple, that you know, because you have already learned that format in 11th standard also, that bank statement statement of bank reconciliation for the month, whatever the month is there, then you have to write here particular rupees, then you have to write here balance as per cash book. If the cash book is given, in this case passbook will be our boss. If the passbook is given, that you have to write balance as per the passbook. Then some item should be added and some item will be deducted. And whatever the balance we will get, that balance we will get as a opposite side balance. That means on top, suppose cash book is there, so here we will get passbook. So here, that's why I said that opposite of the top. Opposite of the top means here the top is given cash. So our boss is passbook. Then we have to write some working note. Working note for this. So when we solve that the problem, at that time I will explain you how to write a working note, and you will understand how to prepare your bank reconciliation statement with the help of yes boss method. I hope all of you have followed this particular rules for the yes boss method and what is the format for the statement of bank reconciliation. Thank you.